What's up guys, Baker here. Today I'm back with another tutorial. Today I'm going to talk about creating and installing After Effects presets. So on my recent video, the automatic smooth transitions preset that I created, there's a lot of people asking questions on how do you install this. I'm getting error messages, I can't import this, what do I do, what's going on? So I just want to make this quick little video to kind of clear up everything about presets. So let's go ahead and jump right in. So basically what a preset is, it's an animation preset, and all that does is save specific effects that you apply to your footage and saves them for later use on a later date. So it's pretty helpful whenever you make, let's say, like a nice color correction or a nice combination of effects, or even if there's just a bunch of keyframes that you want to save, you know. So this is how we do it. Very simple. First, go ahead and select all your effects by holding down Shift and selecting all these. Go to Animation, Save Animation Preset, and you need to go and find your default folder, which it should be set to already, but if you don't have it, it's under Documents, and then Adobe After Effects User Presets. This is typically where you want to save all your custom presets, and if you want, you can make a new folder and call it Custom Presets and have everything inside of there. So once you save it, let me go ahead and call this Quick Test Save. We can go to our effects and presets over here. If we go to Animation Presets, User Presets, we have Quick Test right here. Boom, piece of cake. Now, how do we use these preset files later on, or how do I download them from other people and use them into my After Effects? Well, the first thing you want to check is what After Effects version did they create the original file. If you take a look at these files, they are .ffx files. These can be used with Mac or PC, so it doesn't matter who made them. All you have to remember is you need either the same version of After Effects or newer. If I make this custom preset in CS6 and you have CS4, it's not going to work. So once you download that, you have two options. You can either place that file into your regular presets folder, which is under Applications, After Effects, Presets. It's probably pretty similar for PC users. It's probably under Program Files somewhere. The other presets folder you can use is under your Documents, Adobe After Effects, User Presets, and this is typically where I like to store everything. So let's say I had a new preset over here called Screen Shake Test, and all you have to do is copy and paste it into your folder, or click and drag. It's that simple. What you do not want to do is go into your project and go to File, Import, and try to import the FFX file directly. So if I click All Files, OK, open this, After Effects error, unable to parse this file, OK, and it doesn't work. Another error you might get is it's saying that it's not compatible and will not import. Like I said before, you're not importing the file. You need to place it in your presets folder and then either restart your After Effects, close it, and then reopen it, or go to your effects panel, click this button over here, and refresh your list. So let's do the example I have over here. We have our Screen Shake Test. We put it into our User Presets folder. Here it is here, Screen Shake Test. I come back, I refresh the list, and let's go ahead and search for it. Screen Shake Test. Now, here's something you have to be careful of. Let's say you have a clip or a piece of footage and you have some keyframes timed up to exactly where you want it to be. So here I just have some very simple transform shaking the clip and some scatter. Now let's say this was completely gone. I wanted to import that new preset, right? And let's say I import my footage. Okay, I'm back, wherever, and I take this and I just drag it on. What's going to happen? Well, all the keyframes, any keyframes that are saved, the very first keyframe will apply right at your time indicator. So you want to make sure, if you have a bunch of keyframes, you got to know it in advance, I guess. Make sure you line it up first. So let me delete this. Then apply your preset, and all the keyframes, you can see right here, if you push U, apply right at your timeline indicator. So those are the basics of creating and installing presets. Again, just to recap, all you do is highlight. Oh, I didn't go over this, but if you wanted to save keyframes too, just in case, make sure you highlight all of your effects. Then also highlight your keyframed parameters as well. You can do that by holding Command. I think PC is Control. And then just go ahead and save your preset. And to recap the installation, you're not importing it as footage. You have to place it inside your user presets folder, restart AE, or refresh your list. Doesn't matter if it's Mac or PC, just make sure you have one of the newer versions of AE so everyone is happy. Okay, that's pretty much it. I know it's pretty simple, but a lot of people were asking me questions on how to do this, so I just wanted to provide some background information for you guys. I hope you guys learned something. I hope you guys make your own presets and kind of experiment around with After Effects. If you have any other questions, please let me know. Please like and favorite and share and subscribe. And let me know if you have any questions. You can hit me up on Facebook and Twitter. Any of that good stuff. Hope you enjoyed the video. Alright, peace.